In just a couple of minutes, I'm going to show you how to start a print on demand store so that way you can start selling your brand on merchandise for free and make money from it and generate profits, whether you sell it through Facebook ads, Shopify, and so forth. So let's go ahead and get started. So what you'll do is you'll go to printify.com, and it's a super easy to use platform. All you're going to do is hit sign up. And what we're going to end up doing is you'll either continue with Google or continue with creating an account. I'm going to go ahead and select one of my emails, and it's going to automatically port us in to get started on creating our items. What we'll do is we'll end up talking about a little bit about us. We're a content creator. Are you already selling? No, I have not, but I'm looking to start selling. Then I hit next. So we've already completed the first step, and we have 5 steps that are super simple to do. The first one is we're going to design our product. And so we'll look at some of these items depending on what we want to sell. You can end up selling, short sleeve tees, spiral notebooks, hats. There's all kinds of different items you could literally sell. I mean, home and living, hoodies, whatever merchandise you want to sell. If you have a streetwear brand, if you have a home and goods brand, if you have, a brand that you want to sell your cool designs on socks for, you can make it all here. So I'm gonna go ahead and select hat. And what we'll end up doing is you'll hit start designing. And this part's super easy to do. All you got to do is just hit add your design. I'll choose my logo, add the logo in. You can then adjust the color of the hat so that way it can be on brand. That's perfectly on brand for us. And as soon as you're done designing, you can, maybe adjust this logo, or you can adjust your design however you want it to look and feel on the actual hat or the shirt or whichever item you're using. And you'll just hit save product. Now, this is the cool part because we've completed the second step, which is designing a product. And now we can actually edit our listing. And that's going to allow us to decide how much profit we make per item and what we're going to name this item. And you can also view the product, see how it looks if you really like it. And what we'll do is we'll scroll down, we'll give it a name. Ours is going to be Chappell Digital Marketing Hat. And then you can give it a description. It's going to be agency hat for new onboards or anyone who wants to own our hats. And then what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down and we can adjust our profit margin. Let's say that, we want to sell this hat for $30. Well, that's a 49% profit margin if we do, which is super awesome. Maybe we want to have it a little bit higher. However much profit you're fine with, you can literally adjust the price and what you think people are willing to pay for your actual designs and logos. Then it's that simple. What you'll do is you'll hit publish product to your Printify store, and then you'll hit publish. And now what we can do is, since we published it, we can go to back here to see what steps we completed. Now we're going to add a store name. Ours is once again going to be the name of the company, Chappell Digital Marketing. Yours can be whatever you'd like. You'll save it. Step 3 is completed. Then we'll add our, personal details, like entering in, the name of the business. And we'll complete the rest of this information here. All right, now once you've completed your personal details, the final step is just connecting your store to start selling it. And all you got to do is just hit connect. And if you sell on Shopify, you can connect Shopify. If you sell on Etsy, connect Etsy, Wix, WooCommerce. You can literally connect it to all these platforms, and it's super simple. You just press connect, enter in your Shopify store name, connect, and then literally it's going to link up to your store so that way you can start selling it online, whether it's through Facebook ads or other ad platforms. Hope you enjoyed.